what's up? So today, it's like 6 o'clock because I forgot that I had to film. But today, oh my god, it's locked. We have wanted to turn our well, we have a well out here, I'll show it to you, it's over there, into a tiki bar for out here. So we can kind of keep drinks over there. It'll just be like a fun area, like where next to where we hang out. Hello, birdie. Anyway, so yeah, so today I'm gonna do kind of a part 1 of Hi Mom. So I'm gonna do a part 1 today of kind of getting everything together and just all together like designing it. And then we're gonna order a bunch of stuff and hopefully it comes in by the time, in like 2 weeks by the time I'm back here. But yeah. So the first thing I had to do was I had to take measurements of the tiki bar just to make sure that the things that I bought online were the right size. I then moved on to drawing out the tiki bar on graph paper so that I could lay out where I wanted each decoration so that I knew what I needed to get when I went to look it up online. I also did the math to figure out how much of each thing I would need to put on the tiki bar in order to cover the space that I wanted to cover. We found these surfboards from our old house and I was looking up ways to paint them to make them look like tiki bar decorations. Okay, so I found the first surfboard design and I think that's all I'm going to be able to get done tonight because I also have homework to do that I forgot about. So I'm going to do James's first. It's going to look like that hopefully, or some variation of that. So that's what I'm going for. I don't know how we're gonna seal these, so I have to look that up, but I'm just gonna use these acrylics that I have. I just use like inside of this like old watercolor tray as like my palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this old white paint that we have just to give it like a base coat. So I forgot to vlog, but I finished the surfboard first coats. So like the white and then the blue and tan, I guess. I don't really have an idea for the tan one yet. I think I'm gonna make it into like a tiki face, but yeah. So I'm gonna finish those. You'll see it in the second video, but yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. So it's Monday and I'm going to go vacuum my car out because it's gross. So gotta get my other thing. So I cleaned out all of the stuff that was in it. Now it's just like a bunch of like food crumbs and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna vacuum out right now. So I finished cleaning out my car and I'm at my dad's house now. So it's all clean, all nice and clean. Here's the back seats. Oh, it's still a little bit dirty because I'm not a professional car cleaner, so it's still a little dirty, but it's the best I could do with what I have. So I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to press the like button and subscribe and comment if you want to see part 2 of the tiki bar, or if you have any suggestions on what to order for the tiki bar.